Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So, in today's video, as you can see by the title down below, I will be reviewing the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Style and Shine recipe. Yeah, so if you're excited to see what this does to my hair, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is my hair. I refreshed it about 2 days ago, and yeah, it's been a long time since I washed it, so I thought, okay, I might as well. And this is how the sides look. As you can see, it's not that long, but it's long enough. So yeah, so I will use the shampoo first, obviously, but yeah. Okay, so that's how the shampoo looks. That's how the bottle looks. But yeah, so I went ahead and I rinsed my hair. I rinsed off all the product that I had on, and this is how it looks. You know what? There's just something about your natural hair color with like your natural curl pattern. There's just something about it. It hits different. But yeah, so I will obviously I'll keep the towel around me and I'll put the sweater on my legs, so like if I miss or anything drops, it drops on the sweater instead of my clothes. So what I'm doing now is, okay, wait, that's the shampoo bottle once again. It's called Power Wash, as you can see. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to spritz my hair with water so it can be wet enough, because you know shampoo works better when your hair is soaking wet. So I'm just trying to soak my hair as much as I possibly can. But anyway, while I'm busy with that, the shampoo, it's called Power Wash. It's an intense moisture clarifying shampoo. That's exactly what it is. There is no sulfates in, no parabens. It's no mineral oils, no petroleum, and no silicones. So yeah. So now I'm just also, like, while I was smelling it, right, I have it with me now and I'm like snuffing it so I can get a sense of like what it smells like. But like I have no idea what this smells like. Like until this day, I still don't know what this smells like. But yeah, so that's the shampoo. That's how it looks. It looks more like snot. But when I used it, like I think a week after this, when I used it again, it was more like a jelly type of thing. Like it's intense, but anyway. Okay, so there is a good leather, but like I was applying like shampoo the whole time. But like shampoo is just much better if you do it in the shower, because like the week after this, when I tried it in the shower, like I didn't have to put as much on as I did this time. But anyway, so I rinsed it off, and my hair felt very nice. Like it was nice, it was clean, and I didn't feel stripped, but it felt clean. You know what I mean? Okay, so this is the conditioner that I was talking about. As you can see, there in black and bold it says rescued. So it's the thirst quenching recovery conditioner. It has no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no silicones. It's enriched with avocado and tamarind oils. I can't pronounce that word, but I will put it on there. So that's how it looks. It looks so creamy and oh, and the smell. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells really nice. Like it smells better than the shampoo. Yeah. So I will be applying it to all my hair, basically my whole head. But I'll obviously start with the bottom. And that's just how it looks basically. As you can see, it's very creamy, it's very nice. But yeah, so it does says it's the thirst quenching recovery conditioner. But it also says you can use it as an intensive repair treatment. We basically just like cover your hair with a plastic cap, sit under a warm water dryer for 10 minutes. But I did that, but without sitting under the warm dryer, and I just kept it on for like an extra 10 minutes, I think. So yeah, so that's what I did. So I will be deep conditioning as I normally do, and that is when I obviously put on the section and then I finger coil it. I do big finger coils like I'm doing now, and yeah, that just helps. It helps you. I don't know. I feel like it makes your curls do what it's supposed to do. Like it just makes it pop. It helps your curls stay defined basically. So yeah, I be doing that because I feel like it does something. Like I feel like it actually does something. I feel like it helps my curls just look better in general. So yeah, so I will be doing that. Okay, so I just got back from rinsing my hair, and this is how it looks. I just remember looking in the mirror and seeing how shiny it looks. And then I was like, oh wait, it's a style and shine line. So what did I expect? So yeah, I just remember my hair feeling very soft. Um, it is a good deep conditioner, right? Like it's a good deep conditioner, but it's not the best in that sense. Like like for me, like it's good, it makes you feel nice and everything, but it's not the best, you know what I mean? But like it does the job. Your hair feels very nice afterward. I've used it before, and I remember I tried like keeping it on whole night, and then for some reason that did what it's supposed to do. Like that just hit different. So I think I'll try that again. I'll do that again. I don't know when. I probably won't film it, but I'll do that, and then yeah. Anyway, now I'm just gonna get to styling my hair. I will be using the gel. It's called Ice Curls. So it's also from the same line, obviously. So yeah. Okay, so again, I'm sniffing it, and like I don't know what it smells like. I can't get to the point. Like I can't make a comparison because I don't know what it smells like. But yeah, that's how the gel looks. It's clear, transparent. Okay, so my sister just got home, so if you hear any background noises, it's literally her. But anyway, I've been trying this like new way of styling my hair, right? Like I've been using the brush, it's like just to like see like what would happen, and like I've been liking it. So I think this is like the third week or something like that. Yeah, I'm trying to use the brush because like it's kind of long enough for the brush now. So yeah. But yeah, that's how it looks. And yeah, so let's just continue styling my hair like I normally would. Yeah. Okay, so I was trying to do that like separated look again. So it's basically just where I use the brush and I don't let it like clump, I let it fall separatedly, as you can see. I think I explained it in one of my previous videos. But yeah, so even like the finger curls were very like thin, so it can be separated. But anyway, that's how my hair looks. I'm also sorry about the lighting because I noticed like it gets bright and it gets dim, and then it gets bright and it gets dim. But yeah, but that's how it looks. As you can see, it's very shiny though. Like, it's actually nice. Like, it's very nice. But anyway, let me continue. Okay, so as you can see, I will be styling my hair to the back. Like, I won't have it to the front as I normally do. So I've been doing it lately, like since I did like the haircut, and I don't know, like I kind of like it. Like, it looks nice to the back. So yeah. Okay, so this is immediately after I styled my hair. This is how it looks. I got up so you can see it in better lighting, so you can see how shiny and how separated it is. These are just pictures of it before it dried, and it has a filter on, obviously. Like, I like this filter. But yeah, this is my hair completely dried, and it's very shiny, it's very separated, and like it's shrunken up, like shrinked up. But yeah, so I'm just taking some oil, putting some oil on my ends, and separating the hair that isn't really separated as much as I want it to be. And I'm also like breaking the cost. That's what I'm doing now. Okay, so while that's busy, let me just speak about the products. So I have all three of it open here, and I noticed that all three is enriched with like different ingredients. Like, the shampoo is enriched with apple cider vinegar and aloe vera. The conditioner is enriched with avocado and the name I can't pronounce, and the gel is enriched with almond oil and marshmallow root. So in a sense, you get like benefits. Like, all three products will benefit your hair in different ways. Like, you get multiple benefits from using the same like line, like the Grapeseed Style and Shine recipe line. Yeah, so as you can see, that's how shiny my hair looks. It looks very nice. One more thing that I have to say, the gel made my hair feel very dry the next day. So what I noticed is, if I use it with a leave-in conditioner, it doesn't make my hair feel dry the next day. So pro tip, do not use the gel on its own. Oh well, try to use it on its own and see how it makes your hair feel the next day. But if it makes your hair feel dry, consider using it with a leave-in conditioner and you will be good to go. Anyway, so if you like the video and you like the way my hair looks, please give the video a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and please consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.